anyone suspected. Your helpless little friend, Dr. Jupy, was actually hiding his true identity. What the fuck? Don't look at me! I just... Let's see. Wait, recruits who are also recruiting victims! Made up stupid rock Ow! In fact, one giant leap for Douglas, one giant leap for me!
You know I had a pretty good
Shit, don't look at me! I did that on purpose! Stop booby-trapping my booby-trap Walls Arena!
hello again.
Hey, fuck off, man! Don't torture me, man! No! Torture me, man! You're dead! Thanks again for all the help. I got wasted at the party and woke up in a ditch without my exosuit. I was helpless and vulnerable. You could have killed me so easy when I wasn't wearing my suit. Maybe bring it, Marsman!
I say we fucking fight. Honestly, I'm really like talking to you.
Catch me if you can! Don't you get this! You're lucky I'm still a little hungover. Shit, don't look at me! I did that How did you manage to beat me?
Know who the boss is now? We the boss! Fuck you!
Fuck yeah, that's definitely the stuff. Oh, now that felt good. He had some very nice choppable flesh, actually. It was actually very nice.
Oh, ha! All right, dipshit, let's go.
What? No hello? Nice to meet you, or thank you for saving me?
Why? Like you not dying there with some sort of favor to me? Hi, I'm Sweetie. Thanks so much for rescuing me.
How is that?
Pretty cool, right? You're gonna find out real fast that I'm the best Gatlian. Smartest, most useful, best looking.
No, come on, I'm pretty good.
Douglas, it's gargantuous. Where the fuck are you? I heard you made a complete fool of yourself at that party last night. Not good, Douglas. Not good. I'm gonna need you on top of your game now that we've got a hold of
Oh,
this
shit!
human.
I think that's a
We're
photo of the
runner,
famous dude
and
who
I need
invented
more
translator
troops
mic.
than me.
Why the fuck does he know Douglas? You wanna fuck these guys up?
Douglas, get it done.
These idiots!
Get your
Hey,
fucking shit
a real hat trick? My crystals stick into batteries and they'll explode if you hit them real hard. Like with your knife. You get it. Go nuts. Stab his ass!
Let me
Alright. Oh, done already? I was just getting into it. Use my time bubble, dumbass.
Just made a big mistake, asshole.
Aim me at those fuckers and I'll charge up a super crystal.
You didn't even go here.
Too easy. Ugh, you can use that to detonate my smaller crystals. So just blast some normal shots, then finish them off with my super crystal. You got that, dipshit? didn't forget about my time bubble, right? Hey, asshole! Did you notice you just fell? Oh, the coward wants to hide, huh? Well, it's not gonna work! Check this out. Aim me at that candy ass and shoot him through his cover. Should've never joined the G3, bitch! Fuck yeah! He had no idea what hit him. Oh, now we gotta get across, huh? Hey, you wanna see what else this time bubble can do? Perfect. Now hurry and cross before it wears off. Incredible, right? What a thrill. You know, you can use that time bubble on the G3, too. And try loading the bubble up with my crystal. Then maybe you'll have the best Gatling. We're gonna make a good team. I can feel it. Just listen to everything I say and never use the other Gatlians.
Ooh, he's in intensive care. That's room 203 down the hall.
All right, good. Get over here.
Just a minute,
Check this out.
Hello, Blim City citizens.
That's Clug Nugman, Blim City Magistrate.
As you all know, I'm working hard to flush out all the crime and drugs from our streets. I'll be the first to admit we haven't made much headway in the fight against the G3 cartel.
All right. Now catch this next bit.
All about to change. We've learned of a bold bounty hunter who's been bravely taking this G3 matter into their own hands.
You hear that? He's talking about you.
They've already dealt with two of the cartel's most powerful officers.
Yeah, you got lucky.
I am not too proud to ask for help in our war on drugs. Bounty Hunter, if you're listening, please consider joining forces with the good people of Blim City. I hope you'll choose to come forward and meet with me personally at my office in City Hall.
Yeesh, desperate much? Can he even help us?
I already told him you go.
Oh, great.
No, don't start. Trust me, he's legit. This guy's been anti-G3 since before any of you were even in diapers. Honestly, I don't know if Gatlins even wear diapers. Head through there. Clug's expecting you. Sorry for making the call without you, but Clug's a good man. I say we hear him out.